Vowel sounds are speech sounds produced without any blockage of air in the mouth. The air flows freely through the mouth, and the sound is made mainly by the position of the tongue and lips.
Vowel sounds are made when air flows freely from the lungs through the mouth. First, in the voice box, the vocal cords vibrate to produce a voiced sound. Then, the air passes freely through the mouth.
There are two main types, monophthongs and diphthongs. A monophthong is a single and steady vowel sound. While pronouncing it, the mouth remains in one position. A diphthong is a vowel sound in which the tongue moves or glides from one vowel position to another within the same syllable.